Hey guys, John here from InfoHut with another tutorial on an iPhone 7 battery replacement. Tools are located in the description below and obviously the parts. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need to look at the back. Just make sure we've got the correct iPhone 7 model number. It's A1778. Once we've done that, we get our pentalobe screwdriver and we remove the two bottom screws. Okay, once we've done that, we need to pry open the screen. This screen is actually was already popping up from the actual battery expanding, so it comes off easy, but there is adhesive. I use a heat gun. Make it as hot as, say, a coffee mug on the outside. You don't want to heat it up too much. Once you've heated up the actual adhesive that holds the screen down, you get the pry open tool and you slide all the way down the side. As you can see, this one was kind of falling apart, so it's extremely easy. Now, once you've done that, you just pry open the bottom and you slowly lift it up and fold it out like a book there. Now, what we do is we use a tri-point screwdriver. This had screws missing throughout the whole thing, but there's 4 screws there, as you can see, and you pop up the battery connector. Obviously, once you've done that, you can move on to the next step. And what you do is you get a Phillips head screwdriver and detach the actual Taptic engine. There's 3 screws holding that. And I'll just flip that up. You can use your fingers. I've used a spudger just so you guys can see it. There we go. Be careful of that little cable connector there. Don't lift it out. You just fold it over like that. Now, this gives us access. As you can see on the right hand side, you pull out the tabs if it's a new one. On the left hand side, you just pry it off if it's been repaired before. You might want to repeat that because that was a bit quick. And once you've done that, you remove the old adhesive from the back. And you put some new double-sided tape or whatever tape comes with the actual parts. Most of the time they give you double-sided tape. You open the new battery. Once you've done that, you clip that back in. Make sure it's secure in there. You put the Taptic engine back in. We're doing everything in reverse now. So we put those 3 screws back in. They're Phillips head screws. And you put that plate back on. 4 tri-point screws holding that down. Obviously, unfortunately, this had screws missing in this one already from the previous repair. And we close that back over, just like folding a book. You put the top part in first and then work your way down. And it should be sitting obviously a lot more flush now. The screen's smashed on this. This will be the next step of fixing it. Put the 2 pentalobe screws in. And obviously, finally, just check to make sure the battery works fine. And it's all good to go. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.